Hello and welcome to the Ryobi garden. I'm here to talk to you about Ryobi's Max Power Battery Backpack. This is the ultimate runtime solution for the biggest jobs, utilising up to 3 max power batteries to keep your tools running for longer than ever before. Included in the box is the battery case itself, a premium shoulder harness for carrying, and a cable to transform this unit into a charger so you can recharge your batteries when you're finished working. The hard case is made from durable plastic with a robust design. It contains 3 battery ports which discharge your batteries one after another without any pause in operation. Fill your backpack with any combination of our max power batteries and get to work. Use 3 12 amp hour batteries and you'll have 36 amp hours of continuous runtime. That's enough for over 3 hours with a blower, 6 hours with a line trimmer and 9 hours with a hedge trimmer. This allows you to comfortably spend a day working without having to worry about your tools running out of power. What's more, you can easily keep an eye on the status of each of the batteries with the charge indicator on the battery adapter. When you're out working on large areas of land, you may be away from mains power for several hours. With the backpack, we've even included a USB port so that you can keep your phone and devices charged whilst you're working. You might imagine that once the backpack is full of batteries, it will feel very heavy. However, we've designed it to be as comfortable as possible with padded shoulder and hip straps helping to distribute the weight evenly over your body. It also has plenty of adjustment points for the perfect fit. And by transferring the weight of the battery from the tool to the backpack, your arms are far less likely to tire from using your gardening tools for extended periods of time. What's really great about this product is once you've finished working, you don't even need to remove the batteries from the backpack. That's because this tool also doubles up as a battery charger. Using the cable included in the box, simply plug it into a wall outlet and your max power batteries will recharge one after another at a rate of 6 amps per hour, so you're ready to get to work again the next day. The battery backpack is part of the Max Power system, meaning you can use it to extend the battery life of a variety of Ryobi garden tools. Simply add any combination of up to 3 compatible max power batteries and you're ready to go. The runtime it offers will vary depending on what tool you're using and what combination of batteries you choose. For the full list of compatible max power tools, visit the Ryobi website. So, there you have it, the Ryobi Max Power Battery Backpack, the perfect companion for the largest outdoor tasks.